Hello, my name is Melissa Cardenas-Dow, and this is a training video for Assistive Technology 694 during the fall semester of 27. This training video focuses on using Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete with the NVDA screen reader available through ATHS, an Australian non-profit organization. Before we go over the features of Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete with NVDA, let's take a look at the online reading features available on the Proquest Ebook product. We'll need to log in to a library that provides Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. Let's go to CSUN's Obviat Library OneSearch and search for a book we know that is offered online through Proquest Ebook Central. The title we will search for is Mentoring and Managing Students in the Academic Library. Let's type that in right now. And there's the book, and we will click the title and enter Ebook Central Academic Complete. Now that we found the ebook we will use for our demonstration and training, let's take a look at some of the icons provided by the Proquest Ebook Central interface. First, let's click on the Read Online button to access the features of this resource. Here are the icons that are available. Full download, chapter download, copy, print to PDF, add to bookshelf, share link, get citation, highlight, add note, add bookmark, zoom out, zoom in, zoom, go to page where you can type in the page number that you want, and next page. There are also icons available at the far left of the screen, and these are the icons. The first one is book details. When we click on that, we see the various information that is available regarding the book. Below that is table of contents, and we click that and we see the table of contents that is available from the ebook. Underneath that is annotations, and then search within book. On the left hand side allow a user to quickly get to different features of the ebook. In addition to these reading features, a reader can jump to different parts of the book using the table of contents or using the search within book feature. Table of contents, search within book. For this particular ebook, the table of contents is collapsed. Expand it by clicking the arrowhead. Now you can see all the parts of the ebook content. Let's go to the chapter 7, How Students See Their Place in the Library, or What is Work Anyway? A reader can scan quickly by scrolling up and down, as well as add bookmarks and notes. Scroll up and down. Add bookmarks. And add notes using Add Note button. Now let's navigate back to the front of the cover of the book. We do this by grabbing the scroll bar with the cursor and taking it all the way to the top. Now let's turn on NVDA and make sure that to turn on the accessibility features of Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. This video doesn't cover searching for, downloading, and installing NVDA. In this scenario, NVDA is already installed. To quickly get to and activate NVDA, use the Windows 10 OS search box. And here we will type NVDA, and there it is. And click on the NVDA desktop app.
Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Most commands for controlling NVDA require you to hold down the NVDA key while pressing other keys. By default, the numpad insert and main insert keys may both be used as the NVDA key. You can also configure NVDA to use the caps lock as the NVDA key. Press NVDA plus N at any time to activate the NVDA menu. From this menu, you can configure NVDA, get help, and access other NVDA functions. Options grouping, keyboard layout, combo box desktop collapse Alt plus K. Welcome to NVDA. Welcome to OK.
As you could have seen, clicking on the NVDA app activated it. Go back to the window with our ebook mentoring and managing students in academic library, which we are on at the moment, and activate accessibility for Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. You could do this by clicking on the blue bar. The screen should change, the screen should change from image-based layout to text layout that is enabled for NVDA and other screen readers to read. So let's do that right now. Accessibility mode is not turned on by default in Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. Navigate to the top of the bar where the book icon at the top left corner and press Tab to allow NVDA to read through the commands available. Listen for the command to turn on accessibility mode and then click spacebar. This turns on accessibility mode for NVDA.
Bookmark. This section https://skip this note link. Enable accessibility mode button. Space. Proquest Ebook Central Reader Document https://ebookcentral.proquest.com/lib/CSUN book cover image. Introduction.
The screen should change from image-based layout to text that is enabled for NVDA and other screen readers to read. Let's click on Chapter 7 and have NVDA read through that chapter.
Students see their place in the library, or what is work, anyway. Heading 4, Chapter 7, How Students See Their Place in the Library, or what is work, anyway. Link, Mentoring and Managing Students in the Academic Library, page 51 of 106. This page is not bookmarked. Create bookmark. This page has no note. Create note 7, How Students See Their Place in the Library, or what is work, anyway. We don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. Analyzing, although it may sound well-worn and cliché, perspective is everything. So much of what should be obvious simply isn't. What should be simple rarely is. For example, we need students to work. They need a job. It should all fall into place, right? Maybe, but it rarely does. Some basic understanding of the student's position at the outset helps. When I first began working with students in the library, I thought it was all a very easy equation. Hire plus train equals supervise. I had given no serious thought as to how students saw their place in the library as workers, employees. Students. There is no clear delineation between the roles that the student worker plays in the library. What they do blurs the line between student and employee, often leaving supervisors unsure as to how much we can reasonably expect from them in terms of reliability, responsibility, and workload. Clearly, students are put in a situation that cannot, on the face of things, inspire confidence. Because of their ambiguous status, they are not subject to the same responsibilities as regular employees, but they also do not have the same recourse should specific problems arise, such as grievance committees, formal and rigorously enforced standards of conduct, and handbooks. One of the first students I hired had an incredibly cheerful personality and presented herself as a very good worker, and she was assiduous, most especially with the work she was assigned in the stacks. She had her own sec bullet 51 bullet, go to next, create bookmark link, go to next page link, space, mega, go to next. Mentoring and managing students in the academic library, page 51 of 106. This page is not bookmarked. Create bookmark. This page has no note. Create note 7. How students see their place in the library, or what is work. Anyway, we don't see things as they are, we see them as we are. Analyzing, although it may sound well-worn and cliché, perspective, flashback profile, record, unknown.
As we have seen, I had used the tab key to navigate through the online reading options. A user can write notes and read through ebooks available through Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. But instead of using an icon to create a bookmark or create a note, a user using accessibility features must use the links that are available in the text of the ebook. The reading options in accessibility mode are fewer at this time. Let's take a look at them. Full download, chapter download, print to PDF, share link, get citation, and the go-to page. The create bookmark and create note functions are linked in the text, and they are activated by keyboard commands. Let's create a bookmark in accessibility mode. Navigate to the Create Bookmark link by pressing Tab. Then click Enter to create a bookmark.
Proquest Ebook Central Reader Document. Mentoring and managing students in the academic library page. Create bookmark link. This page is bookmarked. Remove for the student.
Now let's create a note. Again, navigate to the Create Note link by pressing Tab. Then click Enter to create a note. A dialog box will appear that allows a user to type in text. Tap to the Save button and click Enter. This creates a note on the page that can be viewed using the annotations link on the left-hand navigation.
The student mental. Remove bookmark link. Create note link. Dialog. Enter note. Dialog. Enter note text NVDA note. Cancel button. Save button. This page contains a note. View note contains a note. View note. Mental view note menu button. View site information.
Now that we've activated the annotations link, we can see that there is a bookmark for chapter 7 as well as the note that we had placed on page 52. Now for a brief review of Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete. This resource requires access from an academic library that subscribes to the Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete system. Moreover, the system only supports access for individuals with visual impairments and disabilities. This puts users with other disabilities at a disadvantage. This concludes this brief training video on Proquest Ebook Central Academic Complete using NVDA screen reader. I hope this simple video has been helpful in making use of this ebook system for students with print disabilities.